Welcome. In front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to open a one-time boot menu on this laptop. So what you have to do is turn on your PC by pressing the power button once, and once your laptop starts booting up, start repeatedly pressing the escape button that is located in the left top corner of your keyboard. So press the power button once and then press the escape buttons until the boot mode appears on your screen. Here you can navigate using your touchpad or your arrow buttons, so use the top and bottom arrow buttons to select and enter to confirm. In my case I only have two options. The first one is the Windows and the second one is the setup. I'm gonna go with the Windows option, so select it and press enter, and this way my PC is going to boot into the Windows. And that will be all for this video, so I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.